This is English Tutor Hub official channel, and welcome back to our English lesson where learning English feels like art. And today we shall be looking at the prepositions with examples, English grammar basics. Let's get started. In English, a preposition is a short word that shows the relationship of a noun or pronoun with another word in a sentence. They are always found in prepositional sentences and are usually located before the name or pronoun. A preposition is used to give a spatial or temporal indication, a position or a logical link between two things. Examples: I'm going to the office. I'm going to the office. He's at the bar. He's at the bar. My pen is on the table. My pen is on the table. We met in an hour. We met in an hour. I saw a beautiful movie painting by Spielberg. I saw a beautiful movie painting by Spielberg. I'm from Canada. I'm from Canada. The letter is under your book. The letter is under your book. She will be back in a few days. She will be back in a few days. I'm leaving on Friday. I'm leaving on Friday. The book belongs to me. The book belongs to me. The bear was killed by the hunter. The bear was killed by the hunter. Tina is the girl in the blue dress. Tina is the girl in the blue dress. The cat is near the window. The cat is near the window. Here are some common prepositions in English. Here are some common prepositions in English. Above, above, about, about, across, across, against, against, along, along, among, among, around, around, at, before, before, behind, behind, below, below, beneath, beneath, beside, beside, between, between, beyond, beyond, by, down, down, during, during, except, except, for, from, in, inside, inside, into, like, near, of, off, on, since, to, toward, through, under, underneath, until, upon, upon, with, within, within. Prepositions are always used after specific nouns, adjectives, and verbs, and can change their meaning. Examples: nouns plus preposition. Concern for, interest in, love of, success in, adjective plus preposition, afraid of, happy about, jealous of, made of, familiar with, verb plus preposition, give up, talk about, find out, grow up, belong to. A combination of verb plus preposition is called a verbal phrasal. A combination of verb plus preposition is called a verbal phrasal. The word that is attached to the verb is then called a particle. The word that is attached to the verb is then called a particle. The phrasal verbs are very important to know because with different prepositions or particles, you can then form many different words. The phrasal verbs are very important to know because with different prepositions or particles, you can then form many different words. Look up, look out, look down, When prepositions are not necessary. Sometimes we may think that we should use a preposition in a sentence when it is not necessary. Sometimes we may think that we should use a preposition in a sentence when it is not necessary. Where is your house at? Where is your house at? Where did they go to? She wouldn't let the dog inside of or in the house. She wouldn't let the dog inside of or in the house. He threw the TV out of the window. Avoid repeating prepositions. When two words or sentences are used in parallel and require the same preposition, it is not necessary to use it twice in a row to avoid repeating it. You can wear that dress in summer and in winter. Tina is making a chocolate cake with whipped cream and with strawberries. So this video ends here about the prepositions with examples, English grammar basics. Thanks for watching.